Today I'll demonstrate how to solve any linear equation using a step-by-step procedure. Let's explore an example to understand each step. Our first step is to utilize the distributive property to simplify both sides. Next, we want to get rid of the fractions. We have to find a common denominator and expand all terms to this denominator. In our case, the denominator will be 12. So we have to adjust all terms so that we have 12 as the denominator in every one of them. 4 times 3 is 12. So we multiply the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. 1 multiplied by 12 is 12. So we multiply the denominator by 12 and the numerator by 12 as well. Multiplying 3 with 4 is again 12. So we do that as well in the numerator. For the first term on the right side, we also multiply with 4 in the numerator and in the denominator. 2 times 6 is 12, so we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6. And our last term has already 12 in the denominator, so we have to do nothing here. Now we can combine both sides into one fraction. As I said, we want to get rid of the fractions. To do that, we multiply both sides with 12. The only thing that remains on both sides are the numerators. Our next goal is to get all x terms on one side and all terms without an x to the other side by using inverse operations. So we add 2x on both sides. We get 8x minus 52 on the left side, and on the right side we just have minus 1. Now we want to get rid of that minus 52 on the left side. And we can do that by adding 52 to both sides. This gives us 8x is equal to 51. And lastly, divide both sides by 8 and we find x equals 51 over 8. Alright, let's summarize what we just did to solve this linear equation. The first step is to simplify, and if necessary, use the distributive property. If you have any fractions in your equations, proceed with step 2 and 3, otherwise you can straight go forward to step 4. In step 2, you have to expand all terms to the same denominator. And in the third step, you multiply both sides by exactly this denominator. Step 4, you bring all terms with an x to one side by using inverse operations. Next, you move all terms without an x to the other side, again by using inverse operations. And lastly, you divide by the coefficient in front of your x. This procedure works for any linear equation. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It would mean a lot. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.